Hey guys, it's me, Felixman / Moles AJ, and today I just want to tell you guys that I have a new YouTube channel because I just felt like restarting something, and yeah. So if you want to go subscribe to that, I'll put it in the link, and here's a little sneak peek kind of thing. Now this is my channel, my new channel, and as you can see it only has 19 subscribers, which is okay. And ship Jumons, yeah. There's thank you for, I was gonna call you more. Thank you Jeffrey for making my YouTube channel banner and my profile picture. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I should be posting very soon because, yeah, I really want to, but it's gonna be a skit. Yeah, stay tuned for that. So, okay guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to go subscribe to my other channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye!